I'm Roxy.
I'm Javi.
This is Javi. We just bought a house sight unseen and it is horrendous. All right, you guys, so we are a month in and we are finally seeing some progress. The progress in the house is coming along. Insulation, drywall, new AC, new plumbing. I mean, everything is pretty much new in this house. We're 10 minutes from downtown and we are really close to a lot of amenities, some really awesome restaurants. So we are excited.
The walls are awesome. Smooth walls. Who said you couldn't get smooth walls? Orange peel who? Yeah, the lighting looks good. Everything looks good. Look at these smooth walls. Oh, Jesus. Adios. There's some non-smooth right here, though.
Yeah, they probably, whoever paints has to like sand that.
No, they have to do it.
Stop it. Guys, the house is coming along so well. This weekend was the restroom and the kitchen was complete. The tile looks so good. I am just in awe and I'm so happy with our choices. And tomorrow we have the guys coming to prep and prime and paint this entire house. So the painters are coming tomorrow to prep this place. We are so excited. After we prep, then paint, we are gonna do the floors and we're gonna sand them and seal them. So after that, it will be floors, sanding, and staining and sealing the floors, and then we can pretty much move in. I wanted to share this with you guys. It's not a big deal, but it kind of is. So the tile that we decided to go with in our restroom is like this beautiful limestone, like travertine. So every piece of stone is like different, right? It's not all the same. And when you open the door, it's a really small restroom and one of the stones has just like this design on it that I'm just like, really? Okay, so again, we don't have the light and we haven't put a trim here. That's why you can still see like the border. But you guys, that thing bugs me, okay? It just so happens that that piece of tile, because this is a lime stone like tile, they're all pretty different, right? As you can see, like some of them have more texture than others, but that one, and I didn't see it before we put the grout in, otherwise I would have had him change it out. It doesn't look bad. Okay, maybe it does. This is the rest of the floor. It's like really? So I just have to live with it. I didn't see it before the guy put the grout in. It was something that I saw after, so I felt really bad telling him like, hey, can you remove that? So Javi was like, Roxy, it's not a big deal. We don't live here. If we lived here and we had to see it, you know, every single day, then yes, maybe we'd change it, but it's really not that big of a deal. So I'm just going to pray on it and hope that all goes well and I don't look at it.